Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using the new Microsoft Bing AI chatbot on the Android device. Now, the first step is downloading Bing and destroying the Bing browser on the Android device. Now, this can be done by simply going to the Play Store to download Bing Chat. I'm going to go ahead and search for Bing, and as you can see, the app is right here. Now, on my phone, this app is already downloaded and installed, so I'm simply going to go ahead and open it. So, open Bing VPN setup. As Bing opens, and you're not in the US, I'm going to be giving a pro tip here. Then, what you're going to do is, go ahead and close your Bing, then you're going to open this VPN right here. Now, this is going to be helpful for users who are not in the US. Go ahead and open this VPN. It's called VPN Master. Now, this VPN is going to help you in the setup process so that the process can be a bit faster. Open the VPN, and then here, you'll be selecting a USS server. As you can see, you tap on this server option right here. Then, there you get the number of servers. And I'm going to select the New York server, already selected, then tap on it. You can go ahead and start the connection. Now, once the VPN is connected, go back again, and you're going to open your Bing. Then, once it opens, go down to the bottom section. As you can see, you're going to see the Bing logo. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you're here, you're going to go to this option to sign and join. Then, you simply tap on it to sign in and join. And then, here you're going to sign in into your Microsoft account. In case you don't have a Microsoft account, just simply go ahead and create one, tap on create one, and you'll be using your email to create a Microsoft account. Once you're done using your Microsoft account signing into Bing, as you can see, when you go here you're going to see this option of you're signed in. So what you're going to do is to come back and go to this Bing icon, again, the chatbot icon, again, you tap on it. So as you can see here, any option will come up showing you to join the waitlist. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the join the waitlist option. So join waitlist, then you're going to wait confirming. As you can see, I think I've now joined the waitlist, but you can confirm with two options. You can simply tap on this see if the chatbot will open, or you also wait for an email. And as you can see, finally, the chatbot has opened, and you can start using it. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video as awesome as we did, remember to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. See you in the next one.